Hi, my name is Casey Nguyen. I am a CIS faculty at Moreno Valley College. I want to share with you our new IT and cybersecurity pathway at the college. If you're looking for a new technical career, possibly in IT support technician or as an IT help desk specialist, network support technician, or even in sales, we have certificates that correlate with cybersecurity specialist career, cybersecurity analyst career, and even in healthcare cybersecurity. Or if you're looking to do pen testing, we also have certificate in security that address risk assessment. So our certificates include IT System Support and Sales, which is 15 units, IT System Specialist, which is 15 units, Information Technology, which is 24 units, Cybersecurity Specialist, which is 15 units, Cybersecurity Analyst, which is 18 units, Cybersecurity Healthcare Specialist, which is 18 units, and Python Programming, which is 15 units. In IT System Support and Sales Certificate, a student can take Business 10, which is Introduction to Business, Business 24, which is Business Communication, Business 47, which is Applied Business and Management Ethics, CIS 1A, which is Introduction to Computer Information Systems, CIS 25, which is Information and Communication Technology Essential. The student can pursue IT Help Desk or IT Sales Representative or IT Support Specialist career when completing this certificate. The second certificate is IT System Support Specialist. In this certificate, the student can take CIS 21, which is Introduction to Operating Systems, CIS 27, which is Information and Network Security, CIS 40A, which is Computer Network Fundamentals, CIS 40C, which is Installing, Configuring, Administering Microsoft Operating Systems, and CIS 40D, which is System and Network Administration. The student can pursue IT Support Specialist, IT Technician, Network Support Technician careers when completing the certificate. The next certificate is Information Technology. This certificate has higher units, however, it governs different areas of IT. The student can take CIS 1A, which is Introduction to Computer Information Systems, CIS 5, which is Programming Concepts and Methodology in C++, CIS 25, which is Information and Communication Technology Essentials, CIS 40A, which is Computer Network Fundamentals. Then the student can select two courses of the listed, CIS 2, Fundamentals of System Analyst, or CIS 21, Introduction to Operating System, or CIS 40B, which is Routing and Switching Essential, or CIS 27, which is Information and Network Security, or CIS 27A, which is Computer Forensics Fundamentals, or CIS 27B, which is Introduction to Cybersecurity Ethical Hacking, CIS 61, which is Introduction to Database Theory, or Business 24, Business Communication. After selecting the two courses from the listed, the student can select one course in the math area, Math 1A, which is Calculus 1, or Math 5, which is Calculus for Business and Life Science, or Math 12, which is Statistics. A student can pursue careers as IT Specialist, IT Support Technician, Computer Network Technician, Network Support Specialist, or IT Security Technician after completing the certificate. The next certificate is Cybersecurity Specialist. This certificate entails the following courses: CIS 27, which is Information and Network Security, CIS 30A, which is Introduction to Python Programming, CIS 27A, which is Computer Forensics Fundamentals, CIS 27B, which is Introduction to Cybersecurity, Ethical Hacking, and CIS 41A, which is Principle of Cybersecurity Analyst. So a student can pursue cybersecurity technician, cybersecurity specialist, and pen testing career after completing the certificate. The next certificate is Python programming, and under the certificate we focus on different areas of Python programming. CIS 30A, which is Introduction to Python Programming, CIS 30B, which is Python Programming in Networking, CIS 30C, which is Python Programming in Cybersecurity, CIS 30D, which is Python Programming for Internet of Things, CIS 30E, which is Advanced Python Programming. A student can pursue career as a cybersecurity specialist, cybersecurity analyst, software developer, or system analyst after completing the certificate. The next certificate is Cybersecurity Analyst. Under the certificate, the student will need to take the following classes: CIS 27, which is Information and Network Security, CIS 27A, which is Computer Forensics Fundamentals, CIS 30A, which is Introduction to Python Programming, CIS 40D, which is System and Network Administration, CIS 41A, which is Principle of Cybersecurity Analysis, CIS 41D, which is Advanced Security Concepts and Practices. A student can pursue careers as a cybersecurity analyst, IT risk analyst, IT security analyst after completing the certificate. The next certificate is Cybersecurity Healthcare Specialist. Under the certificate, the student will need to take CIS 8, Fundamentals Information System Security Auditing, CIS 25, which is Information and Communication Technology Essentials, CIS 27, which is Information and Network Security, CIS 40D, which is Systems and Network Administration, CIS 40A, which is Principle of Cybersecurity Analysis, CIS 41B, which is Healthcare Information Security and Privacy for Practitioner. The student can pursue a career as Healthcare Security Officer, Cyber Defense Technologist, Healthcare Privacy and Security Analyst after completing the certificate. Including with the program, we also have accompanying apprenticeship, which allows the student to obtain work experience with our local employers while taking the classes. Our objective is to be able to give student viable experience when completing the certificate at Moreno Valley College. Student can also look to prepare for industry certifications in the area of IT, security, and programming, such as CompTIA, Microsoft, and other vendors. For more information, you can visit cyberseek.org to look at cybersecurity job outlook. And on this website, you will find information specifically for California. If you select the heat map and click it at the state, it provides the details on the type of jobs and different level of jobs in cybersecurity. I want to thank you for watching this video. My name again is Casey Nguyen. I am a CIS faculty at Moreno Valley College. You can reach me at the following email address, casey.nguyen@mvc.edu. You can also visit our CTE website for Moreno Valley College and click on CIS and cybersecurity to find out more information about the program. Thank you very much.